This is the Lenovo Thinkpad T430, and it's one of my regular machines. I'm sure you're all very confused right now, so let me explain. I've been using Windows my whole life, and to be quite honest, I prefer it to Mac OS. Now, of course, that doesn't mean one is better than the other. It all comes down to what works best for you. If you watch my Mac collection video, I mentioned the MacBook that I edit my videos on, and it works great for that kind of stuff, where my ThinkPad, not so much. So really, I use both quite frequently, but why do I make videos about Macs? Let's get into that. My main computer is this pre-built Systemax desktop PC that I've been using for the past 6 years, and hopefully soon I'll be able to upgrade it. Whenever I'm not at home though, I needed a good laptop, and that's where my ThinkPad comes in. My budget was a sad $200, and since it's practically impossible to get anything new for that price, I was looking to buy something used. I've actually never owned a ThinkPad before, but I had heard a lot of good things, and since they're easily upgradable, I ended up buying this one for $125. First order of business was getting an SSD and upping the RAM to 8 gigs. After that, I now had a moderately decent portable machine. So, one of the reasons I prefer PCs is that you can buy them for much cheaper. If I wanted to buy a Mac for $200, I'd be looking at Core 2 Duo machines. Then again, it would probably be a lot thinner than my ThinkPad, but anyways, the reason that I collect old Macs and make videos about them is because of design. Apple has always put design ahead, and they're not willing to produce lousy products just so they can be cheaper. They're iconic, they're beautiful, and they're well built. I've always found it interesting how IBM's motto was think, and Apple's was think different. Since all computers had the same ordinary look, Apple wanted to make their products unique and stand out. I don't think that there are any other 20-year-old laptops that sell for hundreds of dollars on eBay. Trust me, I love Apple, but personally I find PCs easier to use, and while I would like to do more videos on non-Apple products, I have no plans of slowing down my growing Mac collection. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys soon.